Hey y'all, so Vlogmas is coming up and I think I'm gonna try and do it. I did it last year down till I got down to about the end, but I basically, I hate when you put your necklaces on backwards, but I basically got it done though. So I think I'm gonna do it again this year, and sometimes it won't be like, it might be vlogs vlogs, hauls, it could be anything, but just like a video every day, I guess. But I think I'm gonna try and do it again this year. I enjoyed it last year. Y'all, let me tell you, so for those of you that don't vlog, I highly encourage you to vlog. Even if you don't like post it where people can see it or whatever, you know what I'm saying, you can keep it private just for yourself, because I really think that when I go back and look, like there are some videos that I did that I didn't post, you know, and stuff like that, and when I go back and look, y'all, it's like priceless. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just like such a priceless time. You know, they say that pictures are worth 1,000 words, like vlogs as well. Like, I go back and look at some of the vlogs of when my grandchildren were younger, or just the kids and the family were younger. Heck, when I was younger, you know what I'm saying? And girl, it's amazing how we can change in just like 4 years, 5 years, or whatever, you know, and change as people, our appearances, our thought process, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. And so I highly encourage you to vlog. Like I said, if you don't do nothing but just keep it personal and don't post it, you know, keep it private or whatever. You don't have to load it up to YouTube, girl. Just vlog and keep it on your own stuff, you know, on your computer or whatever. You know, buy you some flash drives and stuff like that. I got some flash drives that I need to get stuff off of my laptop. And yeah, I might post some of these really old videos, but when I look back at them, they're not like, I don't know, I think I probably have got some reviews and stuff, just different stuff. I gotta find, it's one I did of Tootie. She was probably 8, maybe 10, something like, it's been a good little while ago. She might have been 8 or 9, and she's 12 now. And I need to post that. Y'all, my baby's getting so big. I'm just so emotional. Hey, y'all, look, check this out, though. Now, I know y'all be switching just like that. I be doing it all the time. People be like, really? Yeah, I do that sometimes. So, look. Girl. Thanksgiving wreaked havoc on your girl. Meaning, I went way overboard eating. Way overboard eating. So what I was thinking about is maybe like, I don't know if I want to say challenge, because I don't really want us competing with each other. I do want us to just be focused, and maybe even if I want to lose some weight, I want to lose some weight. I need to lose some weight. So, but I don't want us to like really totally focus on weight, you know. So I don't know, like I'm thinking about doing like a little get fit thing, you know, and I want to start it definitely before January. Even though, you know what I'm saying, I've been doing little stuff all along, but y'all, Thanksgiving. And the thing is, when you don't eat like that all the time, and then you start eating like that, I ain't gonna say just Thanksgiving, girl, the whole month of November, child, really. Well, no, it started probably about the middle of November, but I need to lose some weight. My face getting back fat. So, I don't know. I have a Facebook page, but I have some people in that page. I might just kick everybody out that page, except for people that want to be in a challenge, or we could just do challenge on the, you know, on my channel. So I was thinking about maybe like, I don't know, doing some challenges where and I say challenges, but we're not competing with each other. Like challenges where we may like cook healthy meals and share with each other. We share our weight loss information, you know what I'm saying, something like that, just to get each other motivated. Maybe like do certain days of the week that we don't eat meat, or certain days of the week that we fast. You know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. Just to kind of get us, get us prepped for the summer, girl. Because them summer bodies are made in the winter. You feel me? I gotta go to the gym tonight. But yeah, like even like posting maybe that you went to the gym, that you worked out, where we commit to maybe working out maybe like 3 times a week, or at least 3 hours a week. And it can be broken up, you know what I'm saying? Because sometimes I don't have time to do like a full hour workout. Like sometimes I could only do 30 minutes, or I might only feel like doing 30 minutes, girl. You know what I'm saying? So maybe do little stuff like that. But I'm trying to see how can we keep up with each other, communicating and stuff. So do y'all think that we need to do that through YouTube, or do you think we need to do that through YouTube, or do you think that we need to do it like via Facebook, or what you think? What are your thoughts? I can start a group on Facebook, like for fitness only, and y'all could join that, and we could just work it out, girl. But I need some motivation. I think that might be the best way to go. Just make it a private group, and we could do little stuff like on YouTube as well. But like certain things, but make it like a private group where we just really communicate with each other, and we encourage each other, and we check in with each other like every day, every other day, or something like that. Let me know your thoughts. And if you're interested, then we can do it. I'll do it. I'll set up like something different, because I could be a great motivator, child. I'm telling you, I really can. And then sometimes I need some motivation, honey, myself. Y'all see me pulling my hair all the time. It seems like this little gap right here. My hair is growing. Have y'all? It's so. Well, I'm glad it's not coming out. Close that window down. Anyway, I'm glad it's not coming out, but it is really growing. So I'm thinking really more now that I think about it more. I'm really thinking about the Facebook thing. I know some of y'all don't have Facebook, but if you don't have Facebook, then that's fine. We can, I can still, incorporate YouTube somehow with it. I'm on Instagram, but Instagram is okay. I be on Instagram every once in a while, but I don't really post on Instagram like that. But let me know y'all thoughts. Let me know your thoughts. I'm really excited. And we could do a weigh-in, post it on Facebook, or, y'all can email me. We could, communicate with each other somehow. We could do weigh-ins. We could do, like, weekly weigh-ins. Like, we could do where we started, where we weigh in. But we're more focused on healthy living or healthy lifestyle than we are on losing weight. But I need to lose some weight. And then we lose weight in the process. Yay! Hey, who wouldn't take some weight loss or tone up? You know what I'm saying? Because some people, they're down in their weight, but they want to tone. You know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. So let me know what you think in the comment section below, or email me or whatever. My husband's back going to the gym. I don't know how long this is gonna last, but he's back in the gym, y'all, for now. But yeah, so I'm gonna do I don't know, I'm excited really though, y'all, because this is the first time I ever done this, like with trying to create a group or whatever. Now I've done like, motivational things, like I had, what was it, Warrior Walking Wednesday, Meatless Mondays, stuff like that before on my channel, but it's been years ago, child. So yeah, I think that'll be a good thing. But so let me get on down this road, y'all. I need to make a few phone calls before I get to work. I'm running late as usual. I really need to get ready ahead of time. I don't know how I'll be running late for work, y'all. I get up really early, which I got up late today. I didn't get up till what time I get up today? 8:15. I don't have to be work till 11. But y'all, I have a process, honey. I cooked me some bacon this morning. I haven't eaten it yet. Oh yeah, we could do like intermittent fasting, like where we don't eat till like, sometimes, well, I try to do it a few times a week where I don't eat till like 1. And I don't know, y'all. Yeah, like sometimes that's really easy for me to do, but I don't know that that's a good thing. And you know what, they say so many different things. I think you really have to listen to your body, because some people say that's not good, some people say it's good. Child, I don't know. A lot of people lose weight with it. I don't want to do the keto. the keto diet. I don't really like diets because I feel like diets don't last. You know what I'm saying? Like, we could go on a diet. I think that you have to form healthy habits. And I think you can cut back, form healthy habits. But these, like, you know, popular diets and stuff, I just don't get down with those. And that's just me personally. Because, first of all, you have to continue most of the time eating like that. Or at some point, it's going to be blown. I think it's just a lot of effort and stuff into this. I don't have that much time. I mean, honestly, I just don't have the time. Some people have the time. Your girl don't have the time. And yeah, it's too much thinking. I'm serious, y'all. It's too much thinking. But anyway, let me go. Let me know y'all thoughts. You can email me, treadema4@gmail.com, or leave your comments below as to, you know, what you want to do, how you think, you know, whatever. Okay? All right, y'all. Holler at you later. Bye, y'all.